at the shop, picking up some cabinets from the job that we're currently working on. There was about 5 cabinets that wouldn't fit in the trailer or the van, and some floating shelves. So we're here packing them up, and we are heading that way in a spiffy.
Welcome guys to MTV Cribs. Today, I got something special for you. We're working on a pantry. We were working on this pantry yesterday. We've been doing some work. Now it's pretty much done. We're just missing some floating shelves and some shiplap. But I'll show you what we got going on. This is the one and only Mr. Ramon, AKA Ramon, AKA Mr. Big Man. So this is the pantry. They decided to go full black, which I think is extremely sexy. And then we have floating shelves that are gonna go along here that are early American. So I think that's really, really gonna come up. So we did some work to the wall today. I'm doing all the crown molding to this wall. Right now, that's what I'm working on outside. And I should be wrapping this up besides the end pieces that were missing. We already ordered them. They won't be in until October 3rd. But hopefully they come in sooner. If they don't come in sooner, then we already know we have to be here. But as we're walking on this hallway, we're working on the office as well. And the office is already done. Now what we're doing is caulking, as they say, caulking. So, here you go. I got Mr. Angel here. He's doing all the caulking. Angel, say hi to your fans, bro.
What's up, Flippin fans?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. So we got all this room already done. Besides the caulking. and then we'll have the painter. The painter was supposed to be here today just to kind of review everything, so he could come up with a game plan on how he's gonna tackle it Thursday and Friday. Besides that, that's what we got going on. We're gonna be doing a little bit of work, so remember, like, subscribe, share, hide your wife, hide your kids. You already know it. So we're cutting these pieces. All these pieces got to be individually cut. What we're gonna do with these is we're gonna wrap them around in the bottom. They come here and they're gonna come around. Then we're gonna have another piece come out here, go this way, go in, come out, and then this one go in back again. It's just gonna give it this visual all the way around. We're gonna use the same baseboards so we can be unified and keep everything the same. I think it's gonna look really, really cool once everything is done. I wanted to do like a flat version, but I think this will give it a lot more detailed work to it. And I'm definitely gonna like this when it comes out. So the fun part about this is we gotta cut all these pieces. All these pieces have to be individually cut. So we'll have one here. So we technically would have to cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yeah. So check us out, stay tuned, and you'll see the final product.
Oh my God. 1. Forewarning.
I'm about to cut the same piece right here, but backwards, but like this big. Guess what happens? Fingers get in the way.
So I'm Angel, and I'm here with the cop, filling up all the holes and the seams, trying to get rid of all the holes. I'll get better.
You're sticking your job.
Thank God. More vacations for me. Yeah, all right. Puerto Rico, here we go. So estaba pensando que con esta mierda. great. So it's about 6 o'clock already. We're gonna go ahead and wrap up. We already have figured out the crown molding aspect for the entertainment room, for the living room. Tomorrow, Ramon and Angel will be here. I'll be at another job site. The next time I'll come here just to make sure that everything is done to par and that I like everything. So I'll see you guys there. Then, there, whatever.
There, then, they, then, who?
Then, hey, they, fey.
Welcome to Flippin Rustic. I am going to show you the reveal of all the projects we did here at the Hoppers. Let me show you.
Go.
Hi. How are you? Good. How are you?
Good to see you.
Good to see you. I brought you this.
Oh, how nice.
It was part of the butcher block that we did.
Oh, I love it. Thanks. How cute is this?
So I'm going to show you the before and after of the projects that we did for this home. This is one of them. It is their office. This is pretty much a blank slate and we just needed to spruce it up. They just wanted to add some character and I suggested to do some trim work and go bold and add some color. And this is what it looks like now. They also wanted to do they collect bourbon, so they want to do a some type of cabinet here that we're going to do eventually, and it's going to be right there. We're just trying to figure out if we're going to combine metals, wood, and all that stuff, but that's going to be later on. So this is the accent wall that I thought it was pretty fun to do. They just needed some type of millwork in this wall, and I thought about this. We did one time, we did a house with this type of millwork, and I thought it was gonna look really good in here. And then one created this side trim work that came out awesome. So you can check it out. Okay, so this is another project that we did for them. It is it was just a blah, window, and we just needed to add a little bit of trim work to just make it feel a little bit more custom. And so I suggested to do just some Craftsman trim around the windows to complement the accent wall that we did for them. Keep it white, keep it simple and clean, and this is how it came out. Okay, so this is the final project. This is the custom pantry we did for them. This is actually the first project that they hired us for. She, the homeowner, wanted to do something custom for this walk-in pantry that had nothing super exciting about it, and so I was pretty excited about this one because everything that I suggested for her, she liked and she picked. So one of the things was black cabinets or dark cabinets going all the way to the ceiling just to take advantage of the space. And then on the other side, open cabinets, open shelving, and a custom entry door with clear windows so you can see everything inside. And I think that completes the whole project and just adds more character to a custom pantry. But thank you guys for following us. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, everywhere you like, TikTok. And we're so excited that you have been following us through all these projects. We look forward to seeing you more. Thank you.
Awesome.